Hi, I'm Ryan Bradshaw, your Vice President Union Development. I'm sat outside here on the lovely engine shed. It is located on Waterside campus. It is the home of the Students' Union, so make sure you come in here, have a coffee and say hello. Loads of great things you can be getting involved in when you come to university. So we've got about 40 sports clubs, social and competing as well. We've got, you name it, and we've got that society. We've got Doctor Who Society, Geography Society, Meditation, Game Changers, LGBT Society. There's literally so many societies that anyone can join. But also the beauty of it is the fact that it is all free, so you can join as many sports as you want. If you wanted to play a bit of football but you also wanted to join Disney Society, then there's no problems with that as well. I highly recommend joining a sport or society because it's the best thing you can do. You get to meet different people outside of your course, and there's just so many benefits to it as well. Another good thing about joining sports and societies is obviously the events that come with it. So our awards night, our varsities, all those other little additional things that really add to the year and make it a really good time on campus to be a student. You can find the groups on social media. Nearly 90% of all the groups are on social media, so you can just message them and find out. Or by all means, you can message me on my work account, which is Ryan Bradshaw VPUD, or obviously just come into the engine shed at any point and find one of us, and we'll be able to help you and assist you into doing that. But it's dead easy to do so. No problems with that. Also here at the Students' Union we deal with advice. If you need any advice regarding your course or any details like that, you can come into the engine shed and we'll be able to help you with those sort of things too.